Calculus, Angelica Barreto. The derivative is a tool that tells how steep a function is at a point, and it measures the rate of change of a function at a certain point. It is also the slope of the tangent line to the curve. We can find the derivative of a function at a given point by using the formula of the first principle. In this case, by using the formula of the first principle, we were able to determine that the derivative of the x squared is 2x. The formula of the first principle also allows us to confirm that the derivative of a constant function is equal to 0. Here's a list of the most important derivatives. Cf of x prime is equal to Cf prime x plus Cf prime x. F of x plus g of x prime is equal to f prime x plus g prime x. On the contrary, f of x minus g of x prime is equal to f prime x minus g prime x. Product rule, quotient rule, chain rule, power rule. dy over dx stands for the derivative. The slope of a tangent to this function at point x equals a is equal to f prime a. If the x-coordinate of this function is equal to a, then the y-coordinate of the function should be f of a. Tangent line, a line that touches a curve at exactly one point without cutting across it. Secant line, a line that intersects two or more points on a curve. This can be seen in the picture. Normal line, a line that is perpendicular to the tangent line. The normal line and the tangent line are negative reciprocals of each other. To find the equation of a line, we just need two conditions. The equation of a tangent line to the function fx at x equals a can be given with the formula point-slope form. The maximum and the minimum value of a function occurs when the slope of the tangent line is equal to 0. A parabola can have either a maximum or a minimum value. If the parabola is concave up, then it will have a minimum value, but if the parabola is concave down, then it will have a maximum value. A cubic function can have both a maximum and a minimum value, but just on the case shown in the picture. Functions can have hills and valleys, places where they reach a minimum or a maximum value. It may not be the minimum or maximum for the whole function, but locally it is. This can be seen in the picture. To locate the local maximum or the local minimum of a function, first we need to choose an interval. Then we can say that a local maximum is a point where the height of the function at a is greater than or equal to the height anywhere else in that interval. So basically, a would be the highest point in that interval. On the contrary, the local minimum is a point where the height of the function at a is lower than or equal to the height of anywhere else in that interval. So basically, the local minimum would be the lowest point in that interval. F of g of h is equal to f prime of g of h times g prime of h times h prime. F of g of h of x is equal to f prime of g of h of x times g prime of h of x times h prime of x times x prime. The derivative of log natural of 2x is equal to 1. The derivative of e of f of x is equal to e to the power of fx times f prime x.